Dili siguro is a urban garden. No? Urban kay we are just along the highway of the city, and then it's just a garden. Di gyud siya farm kay Gamating Romano. Paano man siya 1,255 square meters. That's how small. Kunya, ang Olivier is a sustainable urban garden. Pag may nga sustainable, sa Bisaya sa sustainable.
Malawat tayo.
Kalahot tayo.
Kaya magkano na yun, no? So, for example, ang atong kurente is gikan sa init sa adlaw, no? Solar. So, we have 20 panels up, 16 kilowatts ang atong capacity. So, I think for the whole Caraga, mora ni ang LSA, you can correct me, taga ATI, murag the whole Caraga, kanilang Olivier, ang LSA o Learning Site for Agriculture na 100% green. No? Siguro partly mga solar pero murag kanila ang LSA nga nag-invest yun on renewable energy. Number 2, ang atong mga balay-balay is rain-fed. No? Rain-fed. Kung pasabot, each time nga nag-ulan, in-harvest na to ang rainwater. No? That is part of sustainability kay hatag mo na sa nature, no? Pag sustainable, it keeps replenishing in itself. Right? So una ang kurente, ang energy, kanikanan, yung mga freezer, mga chillers, atong aircon, solar powered na siya. Ang tubig is rain fed, and then ang atong babuyan, which is ang atong expertise yun diri is organic hog raising, and then we specialize in terms of milk. Milk is make your own organic feeds. Sustainable atong mga substrates or mga raw materials na kinahanglanon. So basically, we are training farmers katulang maminaw, di pa rin nila yun.
Yan.
So katong maminaw lang. Minaw ka? Minaw. Sige. So, we are training farmers po. May pa mong magluwang o, kay butan.
Butan sa kinasa. Butan kinasa sa dinadlang.
We teach them how to forage, meaning we teach them how to identify what's around their environment and teach them what are carbohydrates, what are proteins, and then from there you can make your own feeds. Better than commercial, cheaper than commercial, and more quality than commercial feeds. What else? Kinsay na understanding sa organic farming or organic gardening. Na basic knowledge. Mga siguro kahit tagasing bagat man, no? Yung sa palain dali.
Gamay na po.
Organic garden po.
Sa una lang siya.
Kinsa pa. O, kisa ni nakadungog og term na organic gardening or organic farming.
Dungog.
Huwag mo expect na yun.
Kadungog.
Kadungog hindi.
Dungog.
Okay, that's very good. I think kadungog na ka sa organic gardening concept. Next question. Kinsa na nakadungog sa concept na permaculture? No? Ang imong makitang sa imong yuta to grow things or to grow plants is not synthetic. Correct, ma'am? That's the simplest way to understand what organic is. So, for example, you do vermicomposting or you do other kinds of composting, and you don't buy synthetic fertilizers, herbicides from the stores to grow plants. That's basically organic inputs. Okay. What is permaculture? Permaculture is beyond organics. Okay, permaculture is design. Design. Meaning parts of permaculture is the organic application. Within the permaculture, the system or the design will be able to give you your own set of fertilizers and chemicals and whatever stuff you can create from the design. Yes. So basically, permaculture, you simply mimic what is nature all about. What is nature? Nature is diverse. No? Nature is biodiverse, meaning there are so many life within nature. You can do organic, but you are monoculture. Correct? You can have 100 hectares, 1,000 hectares of one crop, and that is organic because your inputs are not synthetic. It's very possible. And there are so many other technologies now to have scale or volume of organic inputs. No? But permaculture is totally the opposite. It mimics nature. Nature says there are billions of life around us. Basically, that's what this garden is all about. It's the design. So, yeah, we design where the animals are, including Leo, animal. We design where the houses are. We design where the plants are. So design. And with the design, there's certain element of permanence. That's why it's called permaculture, because permanent agriculture. Now, why I'm stressing this? Because it's the lifeblood of what this garden is all about. And hopefully you understanding that. I'm not sure to what extent. Maybe you can learn a thing or two with regards to your DEP. No? Business enterprise. So that's it. So for example, kining mga raised bed na to, no? This is very unusual from the usual way of gardening. Yung mag-plant, no? Imog-plant, tapos magtanom ka, yung organic yung inputs. Pag humali mong tanom, harvest ka, mawala na po ng plant, tutunog ka. Correct? Kaya usually may road man. Yan almost 4 years in the running, we never cultivated our raised beds. Not even once. Because we believe that sa permaculture, nature will build fertility in itself. Nature has a way of building fertility without a lot of intervention. Kunya, at first, kayo fury na siya. Pero tinuod ay, kaya we are more productive now than the first year that we started this. Tingnan ko sa kung saan nalay ang tanom, dito, mabuhi man. Nakagrow ko ka ng dragon fruit. Ako sa parang nibot ang dragon fruit dito, gibutangan lang akong pustik. Ala, pagkat ko, kain ko nga. Masarap ito po. So, sa kung saan ko tanom, kain. So, I think permaculture is a living thing. Okay. Now, isa pa. So, kay gamay man kay gamay, we cannot have huge volume of production. We cannot produce a lot because we don't have hectares. So we are only 1,255 square meters, which is exactly 12.5% of a hectare. Because a hectare is 10,000 square meters, right? So what do? We do value processing, or we do value adding. In value adding, this piece of land can easily be 2, 3, 4, 5 hectares of rice fields. In terms of income. Kaya nga naman, kaya example, pwede mo tanaw dito sa likod. Gusto may nakita niyo na tanong. Munggay. Can you grow kamunggay anywhere? You can grow kamunggay anywhere. Yeah, kamunggay. So here, kamunggay is a very expensive commodity. Hindi mo naman juice, gamay nga juice nga na 60 pesos na. Ano yung fast moving na siya. No? Nagkakang example. Although wali ka mong gano'n, panahurot na, but just the same example. Halino ng... So we source this from Claveria or Kidnon, but then we process, we incorporate our herbs. Kaya kung beetroot lang in itself, di ka ganun. Kay bland,
Kasi aftertaste mo.
o kanang yuta, kay root crop man no? Very earthy. So, we incorporate our herbs para mas lamis siya. Pero surprisingly, ang pinakahalino na